Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Here we go. Today we're making Chicken Kiev. If you've ever cut into a perfectly cooked Chicken Kiev and watch the garlic butter flow out, you're in for a treat. This classic dish features juicy chicken breasts wrapped around cold garlic butter, breaded until golden and fried to crisp perfection. In this video, I'm making Chef John's famous Chicken Kiev, showing you exactly how to seal the butter, bread the chicken properly, and cook it so it stays crisp on the outside and juicy on the inside. No leaks, no stress. This is a timeless comfort food recipe that's perfect for weekend dinners, special occasions, or whenever you want a restaurant quality chicken at home. Okay, we're gonna finely mince some parsley. Finely mince 1 clove of garlic. In a small bowl, we're going to mix the butter, the parsley, the garlic, and salt until fully combined. Now we're going to transfer that to some plastic wrap. We're going to roll it into a small log and freeze it until very firm. Now we're going to butterfly our chicken breasts and put those between 2 pieces of plastic wrap and gently pound them until evenly thin. Now we're going to place a piece of our frozen garlic butter in the center of each chicken breast. Then we're going to fold the sides over the butter. Then roll tightly into a sealed block. Okay, now we're gonna set up our breading station. We're gonna season some flour with salt, pepper, and cayenne. We're gonna whisk an egg and water in another bowl. And then in the third bowl, we're gonna add some seasoned breadcrumbs. Now we're gonna coat the chicken in the flour, the eggs, and then the breadcrumbs. We're gonna press the breadcrumbs in very firmly to seal completely. And we're gonna place the breaded chicken on a plate. We're gonna place that in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This is very important so that they seal properly. Now we're gonna heat some oil in a skillet over medium heat. And we're gonna cook the chicken, turning gently until golden brown on both sides, and the temperature reaches 165 Fahrenheit or 74 Celsius. We're gonna let those rest for 2 or 3 minutes on a wire rack before serving. So there you go, Chicken Kiev. Serve those up with some mashed potatoes and veggies, and enjoy. The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.